Everyone, today Miss Uni will get help from Superman. Okay, Superman will give you several word problems and then we are going to solve the problems together. Okay, here is the first question. Superman works from 8:40 a.m. to 4 p.m. every day. How much time does he spend at work each day? Okay, so Miss Uni going to use timeline. Remember from 8:40 to 4 p.m. taking a long time. Therefore, we are going to count it by hours first. Remember, we always start with the starting time, which is 8:40 over here on the left part. And then we are going to count until 4 p.m. 1 hour after 8:40 is 9:40, 10:40, 11:40 until 3:40. Why not until 4:40, miss? Because the ending time is at 4 p.m. 4:40 is more than 4 p.m. Therefore, we only count the hours until 3:40. Let's count the hours. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we got 7 hours, just like this. Okay, so after we count the hours, let's continue with the minutes. From the 3:40, how many minutes is it to 4 o'clock? Remember that 1 hour is 60 minutes. So from 3:40 to 4 o'clock is 60 minus 40, and we get 20 minutes. Just like this. So the answer for the first question is 7 hours and 20 minutes. Let's go to the second question. Okay. We have this table here, washing dishes for 50 minutes, taking a shower, and doing homework. For the first question, how long does it take on washing dishes and taking a shower? For the first part, Miss Uni is going to use counting time because it's easier for us to count the minutes. Take a look. Washing dishes is 50 minutes, taking a shower is 25 minutes. So 50 minutes plus 25 minutes, just like this. 50 minutes plus 25 minutes is, yes, 75 minutes. Okay, remember 75 minutes is more than 60 minutes. So we are going to separate it into 2 times like this. The first part is 60 minutes and the second part is 15 minutes. Remember that 60 minutes is how many hours? Yes, 1 hour. So we get 1 hour and 15 minutes for part A. Now let's go to part B. How much longer is it on doing homework than on washing dishes? Okay, we do know that doing homework is 1 hour and 15 minutes, while washing dishes is 50 minutes. Okay, now pay attention on the question. How much longer? Since the question is how much longer, it means it is asking about comparison. It's comparing the time of doing homework and washing dishes. How much longer in mathematics means addition or subtraction? Yes, it's subtraction. So we have 1 hour 15 minutes from doing homework minus it with 50 minutes from washing dishes. 1 hour 15 minutes minus 50 minutes. Okay, Miss Uni is going to use counting time to solve this problem. Remember, 1 hour is 60 minutes, so 1 hour and 15 minutes is 75 minutes, like this. Okay, after we got the first part, which is 75 minutes, we have to minus it with 50 minutes, so 75 minus 50. So how much longer did he spend on doing homework than on washing dishes? So we have 75 minus 50 and the answer is 25 minutes, like this. Let's go to the next question. Lois Lane works for 8 hours and 38 minutes each day. Kelly starts work at the same time but leaves the office 35 minutes later than Lois Lane. How long does Kelly work each day? Okay, Miss Uni already highlight the important information on this part. Okay, so remember, Lois Lane worked for this time, 8 hours 38 minutes. Kelly start work at the same time but leave 35 minutes later. The question is Kelly. Okay, we have to understand the word later. What does it mean? Does it mean Kelly starts the work different time? No, Kelly start work at the same time. So what does it mean 35 minutes later? She leaves 35 minutes later. It means she works longer time than Lois Lane. Therefore, if she works longer time, you have to add it or do you have to minus it? Yes, since it's longer, you have to add it. So 8 hours and 38 minutes added with 35 minutes. I'm going to use counting time for this question. Okay, so first step, 8 plus 5 is 13. So you put the usual one, 3 at the bottom and 1 at the top. And then 1 plus 3 is not 7. It's 7. So 7 and then the clock is still the same, 8. But remember, there is no 73 minutes because the maximum for time is 60. So we have to separate the 73 into 60 and 13. Like this. Remember, 60 is 1 hour, 60 minutes is 1 hour. So 1 hour plus 8 is 9. So 9 hours and 13 minutes. Like this. Now let's go to the next question. On Monday, Lois Lane worked for 3 hours and 10 minutes in the morning shift. She worked 30 more minutes in the afternoon than in the morning. She finished her afternoon shift at 5:50 p.m. What time did Lois Lane start her afternoon shift? Okay. So on Monday, she worked for this time 3 hours and 10 minutes. But this is in morning shift. She worked 30 more minutes in the afternoon. So first step, we have to find out the afternoon time first. 3 hours 10 minutes plus 30 minutes is equals to? Yes, in the afternoon, 3 hours 10 minutes means 10 minutes plus it with 30 minutes is 40 minutes. So 3 hours and 40 minutes in the afternoon. Next part. She finished her afternoon shift at 5:50 p.m. So what time did Lois Lane start her afternoon shift? So you know that the finishing time is 5:50. So I made it over here. The finishing time is 5:50. And then the starting time we don't know yet, so we have to find out. Okay, remember the afternoon takes 3 hours and 40 minutes. So from the 5:50, we have to get the 3 hours 40 minutes first. 3 hours first. 1 hour backward from 5:50 is 4:50. Another hour, because we need to make 3 hours, right? 1, 2, 3. 4:50, 3:50, 2:50. Like this. Then the next part is 40 minutes. So from 2:50, we go backward 40 minutes. Backward means you add it or you minus it. Backward means you minus it. So 2:50 minus it with 40 minutes. 50 minus 40 is 10. So I'm going to write over here like this. So 40 minutes backward, it becomes 210. The answer is 210. Let's go to the next question. Superman started saving people in Tokyo and Jakarta at 11 a.m. He took 45 minutes to save people in Tokyo and 1 hour 25 minutes to save people in Jakarta. How much time did Superman spend to save people all together? What time did Superman finish saving people in Tokyo and Jakarta? For the first part, we understand that Superman started at 11 a.m. He took this one to save in Tokyo and this time in Jakarta. So altogether means both time, Tokyo and Jakarta. Tokyo is 45 minutes, Jakarta is 1 hour and 25 minutes. So since it's all together, do we have to add, minus, subtract? Same thing. Multiply or divide? Yes, we have to add. So 45 minutes plus it with 1 hour and 25 minutes. Okay, so 45 minutes plus 1 hour and 25 minutes like this. I'm using the counting time. 125 plus 45. Let's count together. 5 plus 5 is 10. And then 2 plus 4 plus 1 is 7 and 1. So how long is it? 1 hour and 70 minutes. For the second question, what time did Superman finish saving people in Tokyo and Jakarta? Alright, we understand that he took around 1 hour and 70 minutes before. So he started at 11 o'clock over here. So what time did he finish? I'm going to use timeline for this question. Okay, so he started saving people at 11. He took 1 hour and 70 minutes. So we have to add the hour first. 1 plus 1 hour is 12 o'clock over here. Done. Next, 70 minutes. Can we add 70 minutes? Oh, 70 minutes is bigger than 60 minutes. So we cannot just add it with 70 minutes. So what do we have to do? We change the 70 minutes into hours and minutes first. Like this. 70 is 60 minutes and 10 minutes. 60 minutes is 1 hour. So we add 1 more hour over here and 10 minutes. Just like this. So the answer is 1:10. Do you understand? Okay, see you at my next video. Bye-bye.